All right, crappy drawing. You're telling me I need an 80-inch pipe that's 2 inches wide. Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna go up there and cut it. I want to make this into a manual hand pump. It's actually not bad on the inside. It's pretty smooth. First thing I need to do, put a one-way valve at the bottom. I dug around in all my weird PVC stuff and found this. So if I stick this in here and it fits, I'll have to seal it with some silicone or something. And then if I drop a marble in, the marble will seal the hole, preventing the water from going out. But if water tries to rush up, it'll just lift up the marble. So, one-way valve. Now I know there are marbles in my house because I pick them up off the floor like all the time. Okay, during morning exercises this morning, I found this marble and it fits right in here. That should make a good one-way valve. It's got a hole there. Even if it's on the edge, it'll fall right in. Beautiful. And I think I can make this marble even fit a little better. Okay, that fits really nicely now. All right, this is gonna go in the bottom of the pipe. And if I make some slots in the side here, water will be able to get up and in even when this is right on the bottom. Okay, partially used tube of silicone. Wishful thinking. Let's see, I used this wasn't that long ago. Oh, I think it might be all right. Wait, this is silicone, right? Oh, come on. Yes, silicone. Come on, lucky, lucky, lucky. Yes, still soft. Nice. You know, I'm feeling the silicone and thinking, this is the weirdest feeling silicone I've ever touched. And I realized, no, I refilled this tube with something else. Because yeah, it was like concrete filler. It's not the right stuff. All right, I don't have any silicone around here. I'm just gonna be super ghetto, wrap this with some Teflon tape and jam it in there. It doesn't have to be perfectly watertight, just as long as it's pretty good. And just to be extra ghetto, I don't actually have any Teflon tape, so I'm gonna cut off a strip of plastic bag and use that. When I was coming up with the design for this pump, I wanted to make something that did not need optimal circumstances to work. Okay, presuming when I put the marble in there, that makes a pretty effective one-way valve. That means I just need something to get the water moving that way, and this will prevent it from coming back. All right, Jaimie, you got a push-pull rod here. Found this thing, which I think might be good. It doesn't quite fit, but I could lathe it a little, make it fit. All right, presuming I can attach it to this somehow, which shouldn't be that hard. Can drill some holes through here so water can get through these things. So I'll be able to, pull this up and down and water can get through it. But then I can put a washer right here so that as it pulls up, the washer goes down and plugs the holes. And we lift the water. And then as it goes, and then when this goes back down, the washer lifts up, lets water through. All right, I've got a washer that fits on this loosely so it can move easily. And then it also fits in here, a little bit of space, and if I position my holes right, this should cover them. Okay, that looks about right. A little bit of play. Oh, come on, cut out. And I'm hoping this doesn't need any kind of rubber seals, because a rubber seal is gonna wear out after a while and they have to be replaced. I also didn't, smooth the inside of the pipe. I guess I'm kind of testing to see if I can get away with this, because if I can do it kind of a crude style and it still works, then it should last a long time. Now I want holes in this that this will cover. Okay, that's the approximate locations of these veins here. I guess I'll put one hole in each one, kind of coming in an angle like this, so I can keep the hole right about there. I don't want it to break through the inside part, but I want it to be close. All right, now I got a deburr in there. I'm hoping this will do it. Yeah, that washer is not going to be big enough. I'm going to use something a little bigger than that. Okay, a little bit bigger than this. Just a tiny bit. Jaimie, why do your snippers have silver spray paint all over them? That would be your kids. You said they could spray paint stuff. Okay, a little bit bigger. Very good, very good. Not perfect, close enough. Alright, looks good. Now I should probably get rid of some of this up here. I don't want the washer to have to come like all the way up here to let a bunch of water out, because in here it'll let water through, but yeah, I think I should take off some of this just to make sure the water can get through there. Alright, that should be plenty. I could put some little steel rods across here, stainless steel rods, to prevent this from coming up far, because when it's going back down, this could end up way up here, and then it would lose some of its, pumping action while this is falling down. But I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna add it right now. I'll just keep it in mind. I don't want to add things unless I need them. I found a PVC fitting that didn't quite fit in here, but I laid it down to fit, and then this pipe fits on my stainless steel pipe over there. I also have no PVC glue here because I loaned it to someone. I don't have it back yet, so I'm just using rubber cement. Do I need to get any in there first? I think I can stuff it in. I want to make these holes a little bigger. I don't want to mess them up with a drill, so I think I need one of these fancy rotary tools. I just got this for my son like a month ago, and I was thinking, I don't want to use it when he's not here. But my table here is a disaster because of him. He's using my stuff all the time. So I'm totally doing it. Ooh, that one looks good. Man, that tool is great. All right, trimmed off the end there, because this goes on here and it needs to be at the very bottom of the pipe. So I might flare this out a little bit just to help hold that on there. I also want to put a pin in here, a little screw. Where'd it go? This little screw. Just to make sure nothing moves. Make sure that doesn't move while I'm drilling. I'll put this on. I got it countersunk a little bit. Obviously the head of this can't stick up. All right. Oh man, that is looking good. I was thinking of making a few of these, at least 2, maybe 3 or 4, you know, going up to kind of help the water move. I think I should just test it with one though, see how it goes. All right, I think I can put this together. That's just held together by friction, so it's fine. This is glued, but it's also got a screw in it. Glued and screwed. Is that? Yeah, I think it's fine. Hopefully this fits all the way down. Nice. I forgot the marble. Come on. I don't want it to smash at the other end. Okay, now I can put it together. All right, handle. I think I need to bang something with a hammer for a while. How do I connect it? Oh, hold on. Nice. Man, now I feel like I'm cheating. I should make one of these. Whatever, I got one, I'm using it. Pretty sure that's gonna need a hole, so I put that in already. Nice. Man, that is on there. Good. No, I'm not going to trim that just yet. All right, I just need a hole in there. Oh, I should have drilled a hole already. Oh, I can take this out. And some kind of... Okay, presuming I measure those holes right, this should all fit together. Oh yeah, nice. I guess I gotta see if it works. Well, this isn't the cleanest water in the world, so if it works with this, it should always work. I would like something I can stand on, because it's... All right. It's sounding different. Is that water coming up? Come on, tell me it's doing it. Come on. Feels like it's getting. Oh, that washer. I do need to make sure that washer goes to... Okay, the thing I was saying about the washer falling back down, yeah, I think I want to have something that keeps it down there. But yeah, it totally takes a second for the washer to fall back down. So it'll pump. I can't pump fast. Yeah, I can't pump fast. Oh, come on, it's so close. Oh, that is beautiful! Oh, man! Grand champion of the universe! Oh, excellent! All right, I think the only thing I need to do, oh, that works so well. That is so good. Oh my God, that is so good. The only thing I need to do is put the little pins to hold the washer so it doesn't go up so much when I go like that. Because when I go like that, I can hear the washer rattle its way back down. That's hilarious. Oh, that's cool. Can I get that to always happen? Oh, this is so good. Oh, that is so good. That is so good. Oh my God, Grand Champion of the Universe. That works so well. I mean, yeah, of course it was going to work on the first try. I mean, stuff always works in the first try, right? Oh, that is freaking marvelous. Oh, that is so good. Oh, yes! Grand Champion of the Universe! Okay, there's just one more little test. Let me make sure this is totally full of water. Okay, totally full of water. Let's see how well my one-way valve works. That is not bad. Oh, that is really good.